There are a lot of benefits you have with programming. If you, for example, if you program cool drum fills, but the one thing you shouldn't get stuck with is like programming a drum fill and then being able to play one drum fill, but only that drum fill, and you don't get really the idea of it. So I'm always about like practicing principles. Like if you do linear fills or linear, you should practice more or less all possible permutations of it. Like being able to do a little bit of improvisation, that helps a lot.
Yeah.
Like, right, left, left, kick, right, left. You can also, these are 2 hits, but you can also add 4 hits, like, you can mix it up. So that's pretty easy. Actually, that
mix it up.
That's that when like he's speeding up. That's what it sounds like. You know, this smart technical drumming. That's usually really impressive. Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, no, and it's the simple stuff that's impressive. But you know,
yeah,
you have to know how to do it.
It's necessary for a metal drummer to have a routine. In my opinion, you have to have a strict routine, and it leads you to a point where you can play your stuff you need to. But with those things, you also, the creativity comes with improvising on the drum kit. Take your time and have fun and play. Yeah, you know, I just improvise. It's like,
yeah.
From what I saw, I think also like another thing, if you practice it a lot, because you were speeding up and playing all that stuff so fast, and when you're speeding up, your kind of technique is changing when you're playing the double with your left, and that was like a something like
that. Yeah, exactly.
Fingers.
Right.
And what I just wanted to say that if you're going to be practicing this a lot and becoming more comfortable, speeding up will kind of you know, make the difference in those dynamics automatically, because you're not going to be able to hit that loud at those fast tempos, so it's going to be a bigger difference between, you know, that single stroke and that quiet double.
If you play a double and you are able to accent the second note, it will help for like doing the snap on the second note, like this. It will help to it will help the audience to understand really what you say, because if you pull out the second note, like, I don't know, do you hear the dynamic?
Yeah.
Do they hear dynamics? Okay, because it's like, you can do a double like this, like straight, but you can also like apply an outside motion. That thing helps to accent the second note. Not so much the pedal settings, because I pretty much can play that technique on any pedal. My spring tension is pretty high. And when I add pressure to the pedal, my beaters are not on the head.
Okay, they're not touching the bass
drum. They're
drum.
not touching the bass drum. So, but there is a little bit pressure. My left foot's movement is kind of flat. It's like. One thing that's maybe interesting also, I play on a kick drum that's tuned really deep. But the head is really...
Low head tension. Yeah. Low head tension.
Low head tension, and there is no rebound at all. It's like, it's just a pedal.
You know, with the direct drive and high spring tension, the bass drum head tension doesn't matter that much. I mean, you get the rebound from the pedal itself.
The pedal, yeah.
We're gonna see you next week with the next Facebook Live session with Sebastian, and have a great week. Cheers from Vienna. Bye.
Bye.